What's up, Hamuzi Squad? This is it. This is round 3. This is the last tin for the Crowd Zenith Bird Tin battle with Matt Mattis. We are finally at the end to see who's going to win this challenge. We are ending it with the Moltres tin. Alright. We started off this challenge with the Zapdos tin, which was okay, wasn't that bad. It got us some points on the board. And round 2, we had the Articuno tin. Let me tell you about the Articuno tin. The Articuno tin was not generous at all. The Articuno tin, in fact, did us dirty. And I know why. I play Pokemon Go, and there are plenty of gyms by my house and work, and they're always swarmed with Team Instinct, and I always take them down. And when I take them down, I leave them empty. So I think they came to haunt me in this Articuno tin. That was a cool promo. Alright. Last 5 packs of this challenge. Let's put up the bounty for the winner. And Matt will, explain what he's contributing to this challenge. But if Matt wins, he gets this from us. And we're rooting for him. We want him to win because he loves ripping evolutions, and he needs all 3 of these for his binder. We already have them. These are dupes for us. We don't need them. So we definitely are rooting for you, Matt. We want you to win. And we want all of you watching at home, make sure that you're subscribed, liking all the videos, and commenting on them, not only at the Hamuzi Show, also at Matt's channel, because we're on a road to 500. We are on the road to 500 subscribers, and we have got an amazing giveaway planned. Stay tuned to the end of this show, or this episode, and I'll definitely show you exactly what I'm talking about. The Hamuzi Show's been on YouTube for a while, but, we stopped posting. It's time consuming. And then we decided, why not let's start making shorts. We started nice. Bidoof's going to be awesome in the meta. So if you have Bidoof cards, make sure you're getting Bibarels and Bidoofs. And hold on to them. They're going to be hot in a couple of decks. So they're going to be pretty popular cards. But yeah, we stopped posting for a while, and then we came back, and then we did shorts. But now it's fun. It's always fun to do long videos. You get to talk, you get to rip some packs. Enjoy your time. You're not rushing. With shorts, you're rushing. Yeah, watch hours this, watch hours that. Whoa, let's go, double banger. Yes. We needed this V-Star. Frenzen Hisui, I believe, is like our 3rd. But let's go. GG's. Definitely excited about that. Come on, Moltres tin. You're gonna take us home. You are going to help us carry us in this battle. Kyogre, Executor. A lot of people have been posting about Tangela recently. Last pack magic, folks. Thanks so much for watching. And these are the items we're giving away on our road to 500. We get 500 subs. We're gonna give away 5 prizes to 5 people. So make sure that you are subscribed to our channel with notifications on, because once the video for 500 subs comes out for the giveaway, we hope you don't miss it. So many channels out there to sub to. Definitely understand. This is the way to get them in, right? But we have fun with this. Let's go. Another charger bug. Yo, we're like sitting on 5 radiant charger bugs. But it's a radiant. We will put that in there. Alright. Let's do a real quick recap of what we got from this Moltres tin. We've got Radiant Charger Bug, Bidoof GG, Regigigas V-Star GG, Frenzen Hisui of art, and an Absol Hollow. Thank you all so much for watching and your contribution, to the view hours and whatnot, just hanging out with us. We appreciate it, and the support for this challenge. Good luck to Matt, good luck to you all, and hopefully we'll catch you on all our next videos. Peace. Oh yeah, Muzi Squad, we forgot to add these cards to our tally over here, so we're going to do that real quick. This app is TCG Player. It's pretty cool. I keep it as a library, and I don't really go by the price of it. It's but I do like, kind of, when it tells us the pricing, I take it with a grain of salt. I wrote fiends. Friends in Hisui full art. Do I have Sinnoh or Hisui? I think that's our first Friends in Hisui. Maybe, I don't know. V-Star. Scroll down. Regigigas. I had that same issue with another card. Reggie. Yes. V-Star. Ground Zenith. Bidoof and Radiant. Bidoof. Charger Bug. Yo, I think. Anyways, I don't know. Let's go. So we've got a total of $39.45 for this tin challenge. This is the total for all 3 tins. Awesome. Let's get it. Once again, thanks so much for watching. Catch you on the next video.